Why are you always late, Pablo? That you do. That you do.
Tacos? Get out of here.
Getting ready, huh?
Yeah.
You got some lunch? I'm trying to get out here before the rain.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you.
bro.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
You always hide your stuff down here. Chilling on the bench normally, looking cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting indoors, man. I got blessed with a motel.
Good.
Yeah, so utilize it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, 'cause we got some rain coming. So. But now you got some lunch and you got some shelter.
Bologna.
Yeah, bologna's fine.
Smiley, what's been going on?
Well, I got some good news.
Lay it on us. We want to hear it.
The government's going to pitch in. They're going to pitch in starting January 1st. 5 a month.
Good. About
So-
time.
And I called my friends in Utah, and they said that call us after Christmas, and we'll see what we can do for you. I said, thank you. God bless you.
God
They
bless
got
you.
10 acres up there.
How y'all doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Just one more day, Ed. Then the rain's gonna go away. One more day.
How bad is it gonna rain?
I don't know. The problem is wet's wet, right?
Thank you very much, guys.
You got it.
This is for all the people at home.
Thank you.
Online.
Come on, Dave. Let's get a
doing
picture.
everything.
Bust a photo. Come on.
Get in here. Get in here.
Come on, Dave.
Let me get
Bust
you
one
one.
photo.
Dave don't want to break up the happy couple.
Come on.
Okay, can you see me between these two?
Yes, I can. What's your dog's name?
That's
Buffy.
Buffy.
Buffy Barker.
Cool deal. We still need to get a.
I still love seeing y'all coming too. I ain't gonna stop seeing my people. That's right. I love to see where y'all come from. Yeah.
Man, that leather one's nice, whoever got that one. Yeah. I think we got one more in there, right?
Hold up, I'm getting it.
What's a medium?
How y'all doing?
How's it going? How you doing? Hey, no. How's it going?
Y'all look like nah. Yeah.